What's up, it's your boy Tone 202. Out of car show. Checking out this beautiful Ford. What is it? Has 130 horsepower. It's a wide block overhead V8 1954 Ford. Ford dealers coming in special. Yeah, 1954 Ford. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Alright, what we got here? Oh, they want $50,000 for this. Yeah, it's still from California, New Jersey. Let's see, what is it? What's the specs on this car? 355 Cozy Power. Cruise. Look at this. Pretty cool car. 1937 Ford Coupe. Look at that engine, baby. Go over here. Look at some more of these cars. Yeah. Tone loves some cars, especially Chevys.
That's right, Porter.
And I realized that I was only dreaming. Where there's a garden, there's a sad old padre.
Yep.
Arm in arm, we'll walk at daybreak. When again, I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Green, green grass of home. To see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me beneath the green, green grass of home.
The Green, Green Grass of Old by Porter Wagoner.
Cool. How you doing? So dope. SS Nova. This yours? Yeah. Is it for sale? I used to own one. I used to own a 79. Real good. How often do you drive it?
Every weekend.
Every weekend? To a car show, huh?
Yeah.
There it is. That's a beautiful car, man. Good job. Woo-wee. Woo! Look at this Super Sport. Chevy SS Impala. Yeah. Yeah, right here, man. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this.
Here we got some door prize tickets. This should be probably the end of them.
Are those 26s?
22.
We got more after that?
What?
Holy smokes. Okay. 491 417. 491 417. 491 037. 491 037.
4 Fairlane.
490 796. 490 796. 491 230. 491 230. 491 236. 491 236. 491 013. 491 013.
It's cold.
491 307. 491 307.
Nice.
491 015. 491 015.
Inside this.
491 029. 491 029.
Boom.
Last one on my list. 491 412. 491 412.
Yes, sir. Look at my man with the GT. Crazy stuff.
Well, they say there's a couple more to give away after them numbers are taken, but we'll kind of wait and see.
1967.
Throw some more chubby checker on there. See what happens. He's gonna do the fly.
Oh my goodness, look at here. That engine is crazy. Chromed out. So sweet. Yes, sir. This is killer right here. This Roadrunner is killer though. These yours?
Yeah, I got the orange.
Oh, okay. That orange one's clean, man. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
That's beautiful. I've never seen one with the way they are on the rear.
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
Oh,
with the air intake.
Oh,
yeah.
the scoop inside.
Yeah, I've never seen that.
I put them on it this year. They're like they put on the Shelbys.
Yeah. Do you ever run it?
Nah.
Quarter mile?
Nah.
No? Alright, this is a quick glimpse at some more cars that are out here. I'm just doing a YouTube video.
Oh,
Yeah. Showing some more cars that are out here. It's your boy Tone 202. I'm gonna look at these Novas real quick before I get out of here. There's one right there. Got the Willie kit on it. So we'll talk to one of these. Look at this. Look at this. I gotta go get me one now. It's your ride. Nice. What's it do in the quarter?
I haven't had it down the quarter yet. I only got it in January.
Oh yeah? You opened it up yet? First thing you did. So you bought it like this?
Wheels and tires.
Yeah.
That's me. It had street tires on it. It was like guessing which way it was gonna go.
Huh. Super dope. Yeah, man. Them tires on there. What are those, 40s? Rear tires. 50s? How you guys doing? How you doing? Made me sad I gave up my SS, man. I gotta go get another one now. You guys are showing me up. This guys aren't any fun. Coronet, baby. The inside of Coronet. Clean. So clean. Ooh-wee. It's crazy. So the Mercury, look at the front of that car. It's crazy. Chevy Camaro, man, 69. Oh my God. Bentley. Somebody went there, didn't they? Somebody went there. Check out this Bentley. Crazy. Rock the hood on him. I want to see the engine, twin turbo engine, 4.0 liter V8. It's a Bentley, red letter, clean. Shit. It's the 20s. Got 20s on. Bentley, 200 miles an hour, and you better believe it's going to do every bit of it. Crazy. Bentley's crazy. GTO, man, here it is. Here it is. GTO, man, all day. GTO all day. Look at 57 Chevy. 57 Chevy, baby. Break your mama's heart right here. How you doing? The man ain't done with it. It's gonna be nice. Dodge Dart, Nova SS. It's your boy Tone 202 coming at you one more again. Have fun at the car show. Columbus, Ohio. Peace.